In today's fast-paced world, traditional work environments does not work and is no longer the only option. Remote work has emerged as a game changer, offering flexibility, freedom, and boundless opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned professional, entrepreneur, or someone seeking a better work life, remote work opens doors to the world of opportunities. Today we're talking about companies that hire a lot of remote employees. Let's get into it. Hi money makers, and welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense to you. At the top of our list is Working Solutions, a leading provider in remote customer service and sales positions. They specialize in offering flexible work from home opportunities for customer service representatives, sales agents, and other roles as well. In terms of salary, that range can be anywhere from $10 to $30 or more an hour. Keep in mind that your salary is largely contingent upon the amount of experience you have as well as your performance. But this is a huge opportunity, especially if you're a person that needs that flexibility in scheduling. Next up is LiveOps, a cloud-based company that hire customer service representatives, sales, and support staff. They have a wide range of clients, so it could be a number of industries that you would potentially work with, but it's definitely an opportunity for you to be able to work from home, making good money. Now, they pride themselves on having flexible schedules as well, but they are looking for independent contractors only. So if you're looking for a job with benefits, this is probably not the opportunity. In fact, this is not the opportunity for you, but there are some that are coming up. So stay tuned. LiveOps salary ranges anywhere from $10 to greater than $20 an hour. I think that's pretty good for being remote. Now keep in mind that it is contingent upon your experience as well as your performance and sometimes your location. They do have incentives as well as bonus options as well. If you live anywhere in the United States, you know that CVS is a large healthcare company. The great thing about CVS, they offer remote work opportunities across the United States. This could include just telehealth services, pharmacy services, healthcare management, as well as corporate sales. So there are many remote opportunities available to you. They are looking for people that would like to work in healthcare management or healthcare, as well as administrative roles and corporate roles. Now, the cool thing about the salary with CVS is that it ranges anywhere from $30,000 on the low end all the way to $100,000 or more. It's largely dependent on your experience, in some cases your education, as well as your performance and location. But this is a huge opportunity because some of those roles also offer incentives and bonuses. Robert Half International is a huge staffing company that hire remote employees in the various roles: accounting, finance, technology, administrative roles, as well as human resources. They connect skilled remote employees with their clients around the world. The salary with Robert Half is largely contingent upon the location as well as the role and also education and certification. Just a ballpark, if you're working in an administrative role, you could look to make anywhere from $30,000 to probably $60,000, $70,000. But if you are in the other roles, particularly technology or accounting, your salary could range anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 a year or greater. Again, it all depends on your certification and specialization and education. But it's a great opportunity if you are a professional person looking for a consulting type role that's 100% remote in most cases. Another company that hires remote employees is Williams-Sonoma. This is a huge retail company that specializes in high-end furnishings and kitchenware. They offer remote opportunities in customer service, sales, and design consultants. These roles primarily assist their clients or customers. They have questions as well as purchasing products. Now, the customer service representatives as well as the sales associates, salary ranges anywhere from $10 to $20 or more an hour. The cool thing about this role is that they do offer performance incentives and bonuses as well. This is a good opportunity for those of you that may be interested in this line of business. Next up is a huge opportunity with Thermo Fisher Scientific, a huge supplier of scientific and laboratory equipment, supplies, and services. They offer remote roles in marketing, sales, research, and customer support. Now, the salaries with Thermo Fisher Scientific is largely contingent upon the location as well as the role. For example, sales associates or sales representatives can make anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 a year, while research engineers as well as research scientists' salaries may range anywhere from $60,000 to $150,000 a year or more. This is a huge opportunity if you have an interest in this area or you have some experience in this area, but definitely a great opportunity. Mod Squad is a digital services company. They hire remote employees for moderators, content moderators, community managers, and customer service reps. The salaries with Mod Squad are primarily based on the role. For instance, remote moderators and content moderators can make a salary of $10 to $20 or more an hour. Belay is a virtual staffing company with a lot of opportunities for remote employees. They hire primarily resources that are skilled as assistants, bookkeepers, web specialists, and social media managers. These staff members will actually support entrepreneurs, executives, and small businesses. Virtual assistants and support staff can make anywhere from $10 an hour to $50 an hour or more. It depends on your experience as well as your specialized skills. Now, we have Cactus Communications, a global scientific company that offer remote opportunities for writers, editors, and research specialists in the fields of medicine, life sciences, engineering, and humanities. The writers, translators, and editors can make anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour, or even more based on their experience. Kelly is a staffing and workforce company looking for skilled employees for remote work in IT, customer service, healthcare, education, and engineering. Salaries at Kelly can range based on location, industry, and skill. For instance, administrative staff can make anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 a year, while IT staff and engineers can make anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 or more per year. It all depends on your specialization and your education. United Healthcare is a diversified healthcare company and a lot of open remote opportunities. They are looking for staff in areas such as healthcare management, insurance services, clinical research, telehealth, and corporate support. The salary ranges depends on the role as well as the location and your credentials as well. Can make a salary from $50,000 to $150,000 a year, or even more. It all depends on the role. While corporate roles could make anywhere from $40,000 to $100,000 or more a year. Again, it's all about the role. Now, we have discussed many different options for remote work. If you found this information very helpful, please share it with someone. And if you know of any other opportunities, please place it down in the comment section below. Together, let's redefine the future of the workforce by capitalizing on the remote opportunities that are available to us. See you in the next video.